Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the important chemical reaction of amines, that is alkylation, acylation and benzylation of amines. So that is we have already discussed the basic character of amine reaction with acid. So in this video we are going to discuss the chemical reaction of amines like acylation, alkylation and benzylation. So third, fourth and fifth reactions which we are discussing in this video. Alkylation is quite familiar to you. We have already discussed this reaction, that is the ammonolysis reaction in which the primary amine is getting converted into the secondary get converted into tertiary and tertiary get converted into quaternary ammonium salt. So here what is actually taking place? The 1,1 alkyl group is getting added here. So there is actually the substitution here, that is the nucleophilic substitution is taking place in which the alkyl group get added one by one here. So this is actually called as alkylation reaction, and this we have already discussed in the chapter 10th chapter, that is about haloalkanes and haloarenes. We have already discussed this reaction. Next is the acylation. Acylation, that is aliphatic and aromatic primary and secondary amines react with the acid chlorides, anhydrides and the esters by nucleophilic substitution reaction is called as acylation. Acylation, that is we are going to discuss here acylation of amines. Which amines undergoes acylation? That is 1 degree and 2 degree amines react with acid chloride, that is RCOCl, or this is possible with anhydrides and also the esters. So here it takes place by nucleophilic substitution reaction, and this process is called as acylation. So let us first take the equation for the primary primary amine that is reacted with the acid chloride. The general representation for acid chloride is R-COCl. It can also be called as acyl chlorides. So when the primary amines, when it react with acyl chloride in the presence of the base, that is which is stronger than amine, the base like pyridine, which can be used, it removes the HCl formed and shift the equilibrium to the right hand side. So what is actually happening here? The reaction is taking place in the presence of base. Here there is a removal of HCl. So how the HCl is formed? That is one hydrogen from the primary amine and one Cl, that is from the acid chloride. It results in the formation of HCl. Now what is the rest of the thing? You have to write as it is, that is R is remaining here. So we am writing R here. NH, because one hydrogen is removed, so we are writing NH here. Next after that, because here there is a breakage of bond, so next you have to write COR dash. That's why we written COR dash. If you are writing this in the same order like this, if you are writing this R NH, after that if you write R dash CO, that is wrong. You should not write, because where the cleavage is taking place, that site you need to add it. So what is the correct product? That is RNHCOR dash. Look at here, this R dash is the alkyl group of the acid chloride and R is the alkyl group of primary amine. Now how we name this one? Generally it is named as alkyl alkanamide. Now why it is? This R is representing the alkyl group here, and this part is called as alkanamide. That is, what is the R dash? If it is CH3, it can be C2H, anything. So what we can name, this can be named because it is an amide group. So we can name it as alkanamide. Here the number of carbon should be the number of carbon of alkyl, that is R dash group carbon, and the carbon of a carbonyl group, that is together named as alkanamide. Let us take one example, that is the example which is given in the textbook, that is the ethanamine react with the acid chloride. C2H5NH2 is the ethanamine with the acid chloride, that is CH3COCl. So here there is a electron transfer. You can see here the lone pair of electron is given, and there is a formation of bond between the nitrogen and carbon, and this double bonded O, it becomes O negative here because of the displacement of electron. So here there is a removal of HCl, that is which H, this hydrogen, one of the hydrogen of amine and the Cl of acid chloride get removed. So it results in the formation of the compound, that is this compound. Now how we name this compound? That is the ethyl group is the group that is comes from the amine, that is named as N-ethyl because it is attached to the nitrogen, therefore N-ethyl. And what we name this one? This is as named as alkanamide. Alkanamide means how much will be the number of carbon, that is one carbon in the methyl group and one carbon is the carbonyl carbon. So total 2 carbons are there. So how we name this alkanamide? It can be named in this way. This part can be named as ethanamide, that is it is an amide, that is in which one H is substituted by C2H5. So 2 carbons are there, therefore ethanamide. And because one C2H5 group is there, that is on the nitrogen, therefore it is named as N-ethyl. So N-ethyl ethanamide. Ethyl group is on the nitrogen, therefore it is N-ethyl, and this is 2 carbon, therefore ethanamide. So the name of this compound is N-ethyl ethanamide. When we take a secondary amine, when it react with the acid chloride, here also there is a removal of water, removal of HCl, that is hydrogen from here and Cl from here. So there is a removal of HCl, and the product formed here is in the same way you need to write, that is R2. Here you are writing N, this is N. Now which one you have to write next, because there is a cleavage of bond from here, so CO, then R dash, so CO R dash. So what will be the name for this one? Because how we name this one? Because it is an amide in which the 2H is substituted by 2R. So this is an amide. This much part is amide, and here 2 alkyl groups are there, that I am marking here circle. So the 2 alkyl group is attached to the nitrogen, therefore we can name it as NN dialkyl. And what we name this one? This one is named as this can be named as alkanamide. So when we take a particular example that is given in the textbook, that is this is the secondary amine because 2 ethyl group is attached to the nitrogen with the chloride, that is acid chloride CH3COCl. So how will be the formation of product? That is remove the water, remove HCl, that is one H is remaining here and one Cl, that is HCl is formed as side product. So what is remaining? That is C2H5N C2H5 and C2 as it is you need to write, and you need to make a bond between this nitrogen and this, because there is a cleavage of bond from here. So you have to write next C double bond O CH3. What is the name for this compound? So it is an amide. So just mark it, this much part is an amide, where once again I will make here, this part is a amide, this much part is a amide, and here 2 ethyl group are substituted with the nitrogen. So NN diethyl, because ethyl group is attached to the nitrogen, therefore we can name it as this 2 ethyl group is attached to the nitrogen, therefore NN diethyl. And what is this one? This is called as This part is called as ethanamide because 2 carbons, therefore eth word, and it is an amide. So the name of this compound is NN-diethyl ethanamide. Now next we'll be discussing the benzylation. Benzylation, the reaction is, the general reaction is represented as here RNH2 plus ArCOCl. Here in the previous 2 cases we have taken RCOCl, we are taking here ArCOCl. That is, here there is a substitution of which group? That is benzoyl group. That is ArCO group gets substituted here. But in the previous cases RCO group is substituted, but here ArCO. Ar means benzene ring, that is C6H5CO. It can be written as C6H5COCl. It can be written like this. So this part is get substituted. So it is called as benzylation. So in this reaction we can say that amines also react with benzoyl chloride. That is, this one is named as benzoyl chloride, and this reaction is known as benzylation. So how we do this reaction? In the same way how we have done the acylation, you have to do in the same manner. That is, one H from here and one Cl from here, remove it. That is, HCl is removed, and the rest of them will be as it is. That is, R here as it is, NH because one H is removed. Then what we have? CO, then CO, then AR. So this is named as N-alkyl benzenamide because this is the alkyl group, and this part is named as that is, this part is named as benzenamide, and R is the alkyl group attached to the nitrogen. Therefore it is named as N-alkyl benzenamide. So when we take a particular example, methanamine react with the benzoyl chloride. So what will be the product? N-methyl, because CH3 is attached to the nitrogen. Therefore N-methyl. And what is the name for this one? That is, this part is called as, that is benzenamide. So N-methyl benzenamide is the product which is formed. So it is also one of the most important reaction. So this is all about the alkylation, acylation and benzylation reaction which we have discussed here. So this is all about this video. Have a nice day.